Welcome to DJ's Prestige Sports. We've just acquired a lovely Jaguar XC. It's the Prestige model, high level of spec. Something different about this car. So it's a beautiful metallic blue, which is absolutely popping. Alloy wheels. It's got rear park distance control. Look at that, it's in lovely condition. Great value for money. Boot area is in lovely condition. Big factory option this was, full brown leather perforated interior. Really goes well and complements the car if you have a look at the colour. Electric windows, Meridian Hi-Fi, electric seats. It's only done 75,813 miles. Start it up. Yeah, it's 75,813 miles. It's got cruise control, satellite navigation, park distance control. It's the home screen, climate control, Bluetooth, media pack, heated seats. There we go. Climate control, 6-speed gearbox, different driving modes here. Got your winter mode, eco mode, normal mode, dynamic mode. Look at the interior, it's absolutely lovely. At DJH, you have full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.